Engineered for uncompromising reliability and packed with next-generation technology, discover the newly designed Sinolift CPD30 MA7 electric counterbalanced forklift. Raising the bar in strength and durability, the Sinolift CPD30 comes with a robust 3-ton lift capacity. Take on demanding material handling applications with smooth steering and unrivaled maneuverability, even in narrow aisles. The low anti-slip footstep and hand grip ensure 3 safe points of contact when entering and exiting the forklift. When it comes down to operator comfort, the forklift's spacious, redesigned cabin has your back, with 50% more space, a comfortable, shock-absorbing seat, adjustable steering, and generous legroom, ensuring an excellent driving experience for the operator. An intuitive multifunction dashboard display keeps all vital operating information clearly in view for real-time monitoring. The CPD30 MA7 Series features a powerful AC drive and lift motor system, providing maximum performance and reliability to help you move more pallets quicker than ever. Its high-torque design delivers the power needed to conquer steep inclines and warehouse ramps with ease, utilizing mature lithium-iron phosphate battery technology to ensure stress-free work shifts. With rapid opportunity charging, you can achieve a full charge in approximately 2 hours, reducing downtime and greatly increasing your efficiency in the warehouse. When it comes to safety and precision, our forklift doubles down with a unique wide-view mast, providing a 20% increase in the driver's field of vision, while high-intensity LEDs ensure safe handling even in low light. This model offers advanced lifting capabilities with a maximum lift height of up to 3 meters, which can be extended to over 6 meters per your requirements. Combined with intelligent features like automatic speed control and synchronous power steering, this forklift is certain to offer a perfect driving experience. The Sinolift CPD30M features intelligent load management systems that further strengthen operator confidence by protecting goods during handling. The CPD30 MA7 Series forklift sets a new standard for productivity and efficiency. If you want to raise the bar in your business with long-lasting performance, strength, and productivity-boosting features, trust the Sinolift CPD30 MA7 Series forklift to confidently get the job done.